Hey guys, welcome to a video. Welcome to today. I'm gonna show you my fidget spinners. I got 10. Oops, I dropped my tablet. My bad. Yeah, let me see. Where are my fidget spinners? I got 2 today, and I have no idea where they are. Hey, they at? That super bright light. That bright light. Bright light. You see that bright light? That's the bright light. That bright light. Ow. Ow. Where it is, buddy? Where in the world? Where in the world? Where in the world is it? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? I cannot find them. Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you whenever I get back, okay? I am gonna pause this video for now until I find my fidget spinners. I'll come back, okay? Guys, I found them. They were right. I'll show you where they were. These fidget spinners have white to them. I'll go to the most coolest fidget spinners. They're right under. They're right under here. Okay. Probably can't see guys, but let's go. My melted fidget spinner first. Right here it's melted. See, it's melted right there, but it still spins. It's not that steady. It's really wobbly now. It's a glow in the dark and it doesn't spin out well, so that's one of them. You guys know I'm not putting them back in the bag because I'm just gonna save the coolest for last. My personal favorite. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, can't really. Here's another one. Same, but it's not melted. It's not glow in the dark. Didn't really spin that well. This is what it looks like. If you guys can see, this one's green, this one's red, and this one's green. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you in the light, guys. Right here, you can't really see the green ones. My bad. There you go, you can see that green one. This one's dark green. Okay, guys. Here's this one. Okay. Here's another one. And you see, no, not that bad. No, this part. Right, is it this part? No, it's this part right here. This part right here. For some reason, this part right here, this is how it came. You see the other side? It's like that. So I don't know why they did that to the fidget spinner, but it's glow in the dark, it's purple, glows in the dark green, spins very well. There you go. I lost the open all the way over there. Got that. Got that. These are all the 3-pronged fidget spinners. This is like the coolest 3-pronged fidget spinner I see. The rainbow fidget. The rainbow one. Which is right here, if you can see. And whenever I spin this a little bit, it's like an illusion, optical illusion, right here. And I'm going to show you how it spins. It's very smooth. It's not that smooth, but it's smooth. Smooth I'll tell you. Smooth. Woo! Good spinners. Steady hand. Did not hurt. Okay, let's go. Okay, comes the cooler ones. This is a 3-pronged fidget spinner. But watch this. That looks so cool on the camera. That looks so cool on the camera, guys. Oh my god, look, let's go. We have to go in the dark for this. For you guys. Look at this, it looks so cool on the camera. Oh my god, it looks so cool on the camera. You should see how it looks in real life. It doesn't look that cool. Look, see that green part? But the white one, this is the one that just glows up red. The green one glows up green and red. And the white one apparently glows up red, blue, and green. So it glows up all 3 colors. And I'm getting the white one also, so it's the same thing, but it's so cool on the camera. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Just look at it. Okay. You can't see me though. Okay, let's go. I'm going to turn this off. And this also can hook up to your tablet. I'll show you. Well, this is the only tablet I have, so try it out for yourself. If you even have it. Turn it off. Where's the beep? That's the beep you hear whenever you turn it on. Okay. Okay, here's a cool one right here. Oh, I forgot about this one. This one's in the... So, I was going to show you it after the purple one, so... Didn't show you this one. It's glows in the dark. Oh my flip! It also glows in the dark, so... I don't know why I'm being so quiet, though. I don't know why I'm being so quiet. You know what I'm recording this? You know what I'm going to show you when I'm recording this at 9:59 p.m. Oh, 9:50. Is it 9:59 p.m.? 9:59 p.m. So here we go. This one, it's a ball bearing one. It's teal blue. It's very smooth. Right here, this is what it looks like. It's black for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It has ball bearings. And it's really cool. Okay. And here's the other one. Doesn't that sound cool, guys? It sounds like a very sharp face spinner, and this one looks like, guys. Look at that. It's red. Oh my god, dude. And by the way, which one do you guys think is cool? This one or this one? I think this one's the coolest because it spins the longest. This one's like in the second place spot. It's like so close to it. Here's the last two guys. The last two, final two guys. This one. This is one of them. Sorry, wait. It has fire and it's yellow. And it's 3 prongs, but it's square and it has ball bearings. How cool does that look, guys? How cool does that look? Right here. See how it spins? And I just got these today. And dude, it spins so well. Okay, this is the last one. Final one today, guys. Final one. Final one today. It's the coolest one I have. This one. Right here. Look at this, guys. Look at It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-pronged fidget spinner. So look at this tiny thing. Whenever you spin it, it just looks like an absolute circle. Oh my god, it's been so cool. Okay, I'm gonna try one. This one. That. Okay. Yeah, all this is just change pennies. Okay. That's all my fidget spinners for today, guys. Bye! Is this paused? No, it wasn't paused. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. So, bye, guys. Have a nice day. You guys are awesome.